Hey guys, it's me, King Human. And I just want to do a quick heads up video. I am making a new YouTube channel called KinghumanSlots. And if you could do me a solid and go and subscribe, it would help me out a lot. It's a brand new channel. I'm still tweaking it, in fact. There's no content on it at the moment. But your subscription, you following me, it only takes you a second to hit that button and it will help me get up and running. Now, what am I going to be doing on that channel? I'm going to be showing you my insights on baccarat and slots. Those of you that know me know I've been playing baccarat for 15 years straight. I've got a lot of insights to show you, to teach you. That's for the big rollers. That's for the big guys. Now, I'm also going to be showing a lot of my random slot machine play. There are two ways to play a slot machine, for fun and for profit. I will show you both. So if you're at all interested in this stuff, do me a solid and do yourself a solid and go follow me, KinghumanSlots, on YouTube. Now, the other thing that I'm going to do, I used to have a penthouse condo right next to the Aria Casino. It was top notch. It's a $1.8 million condo. I'm trying to get back in there again. The people that are renting it will not move out. So I'm having trouble getting back in there. But once I get back in there, we are going to have meetups, barbecues at the top of that building. There's the pool, the jacuzzi, the barbecue area. We're going to have parties up there, special invitation parties, and it's going to be only followers, subscribers, and top-notch King Humanites. So get in on it quickly, because the people that get there and subscribe first are going to be the ones that have access to the VIP list once they get all this stuff up and running. Now, it could all go nowhere because who knows, right? I'm just that mental. But give it a shot. Let me know what you want to see from Vegas, slots, baccarat, all of that stuff. I'm going to start posting videos probably in the next couple of days. I'm going to be in Vegas in a couple of days. I might do some live streams. I'll give away prizes. I've done that a lot in my live streams. A lot of the times, what I used to do on TikTok, when they allowed it, I would live stream my slot play. And I would pan around the casino, and I would let you guys pick the slot machine that I should play. And when I played it, if I won, I would share that with the people that told me to go play that machine. So it's really cool. It's really fun. I'm not sure if I can give you money, but I can give you prizes, because if I were to give you money in the slot machine thing, it might be considered gambling by proxy. And I'm not sure that that's legal, but I can give prizes. So I think that's cool. Anyway, okay, enough of my rambling. KinghumanSlots on YouTube. Go do me a solid and do yourself a solid. Let's have some fun. Cheers.